Hey, what is up, lawn care community? We are on that winter grind right now. This video today in a day in the life is going to be about extra apps and things like Gigwalk to try to boost your income during the winter months. This time last year, I think we had gone out and done snow twice, if not 3 times. I remember December was pretty crazy. Actually, I'll probably check that out and show you guys some dates of my snow work from last year in my spreadsheet. But anyways, right now, I woke up, I checked my phone, like all of us do, sadly, and I saw that there was a pending or an available gig on Gigwalk. Now, I might be able to just show you guys real quick how Gigwalk works, but in reality, it's super easy, and it helps you, just generate a little more work throughout these winter months. And it's really simple. If you haven't used Gigwalk, you just apply for the gig. It describes everything that you do, and you go out to public places and you basically audit stores. So you go in, and on Gigwalk, the app or the job description will say things along the lines of check every register for Tic Tac products, and then take pictures of every aisle. Now, I'm actually headed to Walmart in Troy, Michigan to complete a gig. I live about 5 minutes away, so we're 2 minutes into the video, and we'll see how long it takes me to drive there. It's 8:11 on my clock, so let's see if it's 5 minutes. All right, we'll catch up. Okay, guys, so I'm basically pulling up right now. It's 8:15. It literally took I live 4 minutes away from Walmart. So now what I'm gonna do is switch to video of what's going on here on Gigwalk. It's actually a pretty interesting process, and I'm gonna try to do this one as fast as I can, because in the past I actually I've been able to do a few of these before. I think it was last winter or the winter before, but I use various apps to see if they're actually worth trying to generate money in the winter, and some do, some don't. I have this one app that literally sends me like two emails a day. About 1 email a day, and all I have to do is open the email. It's called Inbox Dollars, and all I have to do is open the email, and I get a penny into an account. And there's a minimum withdrawal of $30, so that doesn't matter, because all I do is wake up, boop, open one email along with others, so it's not a big deal, and made an extra penny. Some people are funny. Oh, an extra penny? It's nothing? Yeah, I know. Spent $17 in like a year and a half. But that's $17 in a year and a half. It's over 17 now. It's $17 in a year and a half that, nobody else has gotten through answering 1 email a day. So it is what it is. Yeah, I'm a penny pincher, but I spend it where it needs to be spent. That's my idea behind it. So anyways, let's get into this gig. So, how fun was that? It's pending right now, and we'll see what happens. It's 8:41 and I'm done, so it took me literally, 20 minutes. I always leave a pretty lengthy review, not only in the gig itself, well, not a review, but they let you, like I said, explain what was going on and whether or not you had the ability to take every picture and stuff like that. So that's within the app. And then I also always rate the app to Gigwalk so that they know how I felt about, the gig and if it was easy or not and all that. I usually always give the gig 5 stars because it enables me to make some extra money, unless it was just really hard. This one was not hard at all, unless I don't get full price, full payout, which that's never happened to me. All of my other gigs paid full price. The other gigs I did were audits like this as well, just at registers, but they were actually at liquor stores. And let me tell you what, liquor stores were way harder to pull the gigs off at, because, usually liquor stores are not jam-packed all day. So when I went in there, hey buddy, how's it going? Can I get you something? Because they're the owner, they want to make you feel at home, and they're at home because they're there all day. So they don't like you snooping around. I had one guy try to kick me out last year, and I was like, all right, man, yeah, no problem. I got, I'm good. I'm leaving. Like, I wasn't doing anything, just walking around and taking pictures of the products in the store. So at Walmart, this was way easier. Also, like I said, I went at 8:15 in the morning. So it's taken me a total of 25 minutes, and the payout for this gig is supposed to be $24. So that's really not that bad at all. Compare that to cutting a lawn. I don't just stand around. Well, yeah, I'm standing on the mower, but you guys know it's a little more physical than meets the eye. But anyways, so yeah, the gig is pending. I always leave a review of the gig. I always leave some comments. I always explain my position, to the person that put the gig out, you know, the person doing the audit. So yeah, it's really interesting. 5 minutes away from my house, so I'll let you guys know if I get the full payout, and we'll see. So peace.